Hello. In this short video, we'll show you how you can create new block variants from an existing traffic sign, change its status, layers, and other attributes. To do this, go to the Kobi Signs and Stripes ribbon, select Sign Holder Manager, and select the existing traffic sign in the drawing. A new dialog box opens up. Use Create Variant option to generate a new version of the existing sign. We'll create a block variant from sign R3-5L and assign it a new block and layer suffix. By enabling the Hide Hatch Layers option, the hatches of the new sign variant are automatically turned off. We then repeat the same process for the second traffic sign to generate its variant as well. Next, we update the status attribute for both signs and set them to existing. Since signs marked as existing have their layers hidden, we can bring them back if needed, this time assigning different colours to clearly distinguish them from new signs. To do this, we locate all layers ending with the existing suffix and apply a suitable colour, typically a grey tone or even a transparent style. Finally, we turn these layers back on, revealing the updated variants clearly and consistently in the drawing.